Hello everyone, hope you guys are having a great time. So in this video I'm going to be talking about how to do a hill start while driving a manual car. So let's say if you guys are stuck on a steep slope and you need to move your car forward. On that case, if you don't know how to properly do a hill start, then either you will stall your car or you will roll your car back. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about two tricks following which you can easily do a hill start. Neither you will stall your car nor your car will roll backward. So before starting the video, if you guys are new here, consider subscribing. Here I'll be uploading driving tips and tricks and informative videos related to cars. So if you guys are interested in this sort of topics, consider subscribing. So guys, basically we will be learning two tricks. The first one is with the help of your handbrake, and the second trick is by balancing between the clutch and brake and the gas pedal. So guys, the second trick is a little bit difficult because we need to balance the clutch, brake and gas pedal at the same time. But as you go and learn more, it will be a lot easier afterwards. So guys, let's get into POV driving and learn in details on how to properly do a hill start. So guys, the first trick is to move your car forward with the help of your handbrake. So in this trick, you need to engage your handbrake, and after your handbrake is engaged, you can release your foot from the brake. And you guys can see the car is not rolling back, although I have released my foot from the brake. So make sure that your car is in first gear. And the main trick here is to rev your car to around 2000 RPM and slowly release the clutch. At a point you will notice that your car is struggling to move forward. At that point, you need to disengage the handbrake and slowly release the clutch, gently give a gas, and you won't roll even a single inch back. So I will show you once again. So first step is to engage your handbrake. After your handbrake is engaged, you can release your right foot from the brake and shift to the gas pedal and rev your car to around 2000 RPM. Slowly release the clutch. At a point you will notice that your car will struggle to move forward. At that point, disengage the handbrake, slowly release the clutch, gently give a gas, and you won't roll even a single inch back. So guys, this was the first trick. Now I will show you the second trick, which is by balancing between the clutch, brake and the gas. So guys, this trick is a little bit difficult if you compare with the first trick, but as you guys practice more and more, you will get used to the second trick. And the second trick is more professional way of doing a hill start, and it's more faster way to do a hill start if you compare with the first trick, because in first trick you need to engage the handbrake and again disengage the handbrake. That will be a little bit time taking. So let's learn the second trick. So guys, in second trick we need to know the biting point of the clutch. So what is the biting point of the clutch? So when you slowly release the clutch, you will notice a point where your car will struggle to move forward. That point is called the biting point of the clutch. So the main trick here is to find the biting point of your car, and then when you find the biting point of the car, we will release the foot from the brake and shift to the gas pedal, and we'll hold the clutch at the same point and we'll give little bit gas, and then we'll slowly release the clutch. So what I'll do is I'll slowly release the clutch and find the biting point of the car. And when you find the biting point of the car, you will feel that your car will start to vibrate. So I will find the biting point of my car. I will release the clutch slowly. And when I find the biting point of the car where my car will start to vibrate, at that time I will release the foot from my brake and give the gas and release the clutch at the same time. So this is a little bit difficult because you need to do all these steps in a very little time. So I am at my biting point. So I will give the gas and I will slowly release the clutch, and the car won't roll even a single inch back. So I will show you once again. So first let's find the biting point of the car, slowly release the clutch, and when I notice that my car is started to vibrate or is struggling to moving forward, at the same time I release my foot from the brake and give the gas and release the clutch, all at the same time, like this. So this trick is little bit difficult, but as you practice more and more, you will easily be able to move your car forward with the second trick, which is balancing between the clutch, brake and the gas. So if you guys are absolute beginner, I will suggest you guys to learn with the first trick by using the handbrake. But if you guys have been riding for a while, I will suggest you to try the second trick because it's the more professional way of doing the hill start. Hope you guys learned something from this video. If you did, don't forget to like the video. And if you guys are new here, consider subscribing. Here I'll be uploading driving tips and tricks and informative videos related to cars. Thank you so much for watching. Drive safe and take care.